If you want to increase your blog traffic, this particular video is going to simply help you do all of that, okay? Simply by utilizing AI tools to write content that generate traffic every single month, okay? All you have to do is to watch the video down to the very end, because I'm going to be breaking it down for you. Without further ado, let's get into it. If you're new to this channel, hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. Don't forget to join us on the Telegram and WhatsApp channel as well, okay? So if you're a returning subscriber, big shout out to you. I love you guys, okay? So the first thing you need to do is simply head over to your blog website, okay? So this is how your blog is going to simply look like, okay? So if my team have already built your blog, remember, if you don't know how to use AI tool and if you don't give it the right prompt, it is going to simply generate jargons for you, and these jargons cannot be ranked. So that is the reason why you have to watch the video until the very end. So, and this is not a get rich quick scheme. If you're not willing to put in the work, it cannot work for you, okay? Log into your blog website, then you have to simply go to the next segment, which is the next tab. Just search for Google Ads. If you search for that, then you're going to simply see this suggestion, Google Ads Keyword Planner. Click on it, which is this one right here, okay? Just click on this. Then this is going to simply prompt you to a Google Ad page, okay? Click on this, go to Keyword Planner. This is where you run your ad, but we're not going to run ad in this very segment, okay? So what you have to do is simply focus on the Keyword Planner right here. Then you have to simply click on this, discover new keywords. If I click on this country right here, then I'm going to simply leave Nigeria the way it is, and I'm going to simply add other countries that I want to target on my blog. All right, so let's say I want to target United States. Then select United States, which has over 206 million people. If you select that, then select United Kingdom, okay, which has 68 million people. Then I'm going to simply select Mexico. Okay, select Mexico, which is 99 million. Then I'm going to simply select Indonesia, which has 168. Then I think I have to select India, which has over 500 million. All right, so there are a lot of people from India. You can simply go ahead and target the country you want to target, okay? So you can select as many as possible from here. Remember, when you select that, click on the save button so that all of them are going to appear. You can see India plus 5 other more, okay? Which means there are other countries which are selected from here, okay? This is where the work comes in. You have to make sure on your blog website you already selected a niche, okay? So a niche is basically a topic of interest, and I've already made a video on how you can select a niche for your blog website, okay? And I'm going to be giving you a bonus if you're on my Telegram channel and also on my WhatsApp channel and you've started your blog. Just start me up. I'm going to simply give you my premium blogging course for free, okay, and understand all the basics of blogging. So it is going to be easier for you if you understand the business you are entering into, okay? If you understand it, then you can be able to come up with your own ideas to make things more easier for yourself, okay? So if you've not joined us on a Telegram and WhatsApp channel, join us there and chat me up on WhatsApp. I'm going to simply send you the premium course for blogging, all right? As long as my team has already built your website and monetized it, okay? When you select your niche, the next thing you have to do right now is simply head back to Keyword Planner, and you have to simply type in that niche right here, okay? For instance, if my own niche is about technology, then I'm going to simply type in you can add in, let's say, AI. So you can decide to add more keywords, okay? Then click on get result, okay? Allow this to load. Just pay close attention. Don't miss any part of this very video. This is very important if you want to grow your business as a blogger. This is it. Close this, then scroll down a little bit. You can show that we have 1241 keywords under this, but most of these keywords are low competition and most of them are high competition, all right? And most of them are outdated, okay? So we have to make sure we go for those ones that are recent, okay? To come over to this date section, click on the date section, then click on last month, okay? Last month simply means last 28 days, okay? So anything that is trending from last 28 days up to now is a good keyword, all right? Under this, you're gonna see keyword, but this is what you have to focus on. You have to focus on this competition and also this monthly searches, okay? If you see low, it means you can go for that, okay? You can see artificial intelligence, which is also low. If you scroll down, keep scrolling down, you're going to see creative cloud, which is also low. I think I like this. Select this. Anyone you like, just make sure you select, okay? So let's scroll down. You're going to see AI voice AI. You're going to see full stack development, 10K to 100K. All right, so I like this one. 1K to 10K. I think I like this. from 1k to 10k, and from 10k to 100k, from 100k to 1 million, and they are on low competition, select that. Okay, but anything below 1k views in the last 28 days, just forget about it. Okay, you have to make sure you go ahead and select the ones that are on low competition, all of them. All right, and go ahead and copy it by clicking on this copy button. We have already copied 6 that we selected. Okay, this is a video and I don't have all the time to start selecting one after the other. Okay, so I'm gonna have to select the ones I have here. So if you're doing this on your own period, make sure you copy all the ones with low competition. So we're gonna simply go to our DeepSeek. Make sure you copy this, then go back to DeepSeek. Okay, then this is what I'm gonna simply tell DeepSeek. Okay, so this is what I wrote. Please generate SEO low competitive blog topics about these keywords. Okay, so these are the keywords. Then I have to simply hit on send button. Let's see what it's going to simply give us. Okay, you can see right here, this is our main keyword, and if you scroll down right, you're going to see it gave us like stuff right here, over 5 keywords for each. You've already gotten blog ideas. Okay, after generating the blog content, then you're going to simply pick the ones you want to write on. All right, then I have to simply copy this, go back to my blog. Okay, come back to this section that says post, click on add new post. Okay, paste that as your keyword. Then another thing you have to do is simply come back here, then paste the same topic right here. Remember, we selected the first one, and this is what you're going to simply do for this number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, which has given you 5 blog posts on your blog website. Number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9. All right, so you can see right here, AI is doing all of these things for us. Okay, so another thing you have to do is simply copy this particular prompt right here, and I'm going to simply drop this prompt on our Patreon page. So join us on our Patreon to get this. Okay, copy this particular prompt, and this prompt is optimized, well optimized to give you a human written content. Okay, paste the prompt here. I have to paste the prompt right here. Okay, this is what I wrote. Write a 2000 words article about, then under this section that says blog topic, then you have to simply copy the blog topic you're writing about. Okay, about 10 hidden features in audio, blah blah blah. Okay, then come here, you did this. This is what you're going to be doing. Okay, you can see right here the blog article has been added. Then in human tone, right? So this is what I told you to write in human tone, and I want to rank on this exact keyword. Then you have to put the keyword. Then the keyword is this Creative Cloud, which is the Adobe Creative Cloud, Adobe Creative Cloud. Copy that, then put the keyword here where it says put the keyword. Okay, that is keyword you want to rank on Google. Okay, so if you add this, then this article should be in, then you have to put in your language. Okay, let's say I want to add English. Remember, if you want to write in India, you can write in India. You can, if you want to write in French, you can write in French. If you want to write in Indonesia, you can write in that. Okay, so I'm going to simply select in English. Okay, the main keyword must be in the intro, heading, subheading. This article should also have a frequent asked question and also a conclusion. Okay, so I'm going to simply hit on this send button. Okay, you can see right here it has already given us the blog article, and this is well detailed. Okay, when you want to copy this particular article, don't copy from this particular button here. Don't do that. You have to simply highlight from here. Okay, when you highlight, this is going to simply highlight from A down to Z. Okay, you can see it has been highlighted. Then I'm going to simply click on copy. Okay, remember I said don't copy from this button. Okay, then when you copy that, come back to your blog website, come back to this section. You have to simply paste that right here. All right, you can see right here the blog has been pasted on this very section. It has been added. Then remember we have another topic right here, so I'm going to simply delete this one. I'm going to delete this particular topic. Okay, you can see don't publish this yet, save it as draft. Okay, then go back to your blog website. Okay, these are the plugins you're going to simply install. Okay, make sure you come to add new plugins. All right, make sure you install classic editor. Okay, And when you install that, then you're going to simply install instant image. Okay, this is going to simply help you to get a lot of images for your blog website that are not copyrighted, okay, so that your blog can rank. Okay, so let's say this is the instant image I want you to install. Instant images, click on install. The next thing you have to do is simply come back to your plugins, click on this installed plugins. Then we're going to simply activate the 2 plugins. Okay, this is the first one, select that, then you scroll down here, this is the second one, then click on bulk action activate. Okay, click on apply. All right, all of them has been installed. Then go back to your post, go to all posts, then go to edit post. This is going to be edited with the classic editor. You can see the whole stuff has changed. Okay, you can see it has been changed. Then another thing I'm going to simply do is to simply remove any other part that is not cool in that particular blog. All right, so for instance, this section is not part of the blog. I'm going to simply remove this by focusing this keyword, blah blah. I'm going to remove this. Okay, so you have to make sure you edit this. Make sure you read through it, make some changes. The blog content is cool. And another thing we have to do is simply go ahead and select a category for it. Okay, you have to add a category for your blog website. Okay, the category should be that particular niche you are targeting. Okay, for the tag, you have to make sure you come back to DeepSeek, tell it to give you 5 simple tags that will rank on Google on this particular topic. Okay, I think I have to simply select this. Okay, so these are cool tags from here. Then come to this section, paste the tag here. All right, make sure you separate them with comma. Okay, so when you add your tags, then the next thing you have to do is simply go ahead and add your featured image. This is where you can add your featured image. You're going to see set featured image, click on it. You can see right here we've already added a plugin which is instant images. Okay, this particular plugin automatically gets images from Unsplash, from OpenVerse, Pixabay, Pexel, Giphy, and lots more to your blog website. Okay, remember the images you get here are copyright free. Okay, you can rank for you, you can use that without any violation and all of that. Okay, so just come to this registration, select the particular platform you want to use. Let's say I want to use the Unsplash. Video editing, video editing, then add that. You can see right here, these are cool images right here. Okay, so this stuff right here are related to Adobe. Let me just go for this. Then if you select that, then another thing you have to do is to focus on this section that says alt text. Okay, this is alternate text. Okay, most of these small changes helps for your blog to rank, okay, on Google. So the alt text, which is the alternate text, you have to remove this. Then make sure you add the keyword you're ranking for. Okay, so just copy this, then come back to your blog, you paste it here. All right, then for the title, you paste it, and for the caption, just paste it. You don't need to add description. Okay, just select set featured image, it has been added. So another thing you have to do right now is simply go ahead and add interlinking. Okay, so if you already have a blog post which you've already written on that same blog that are related to what you're writing here, you have to make sure you add it on this particular blog post. Okay, so that people can easily read more. Okay, also read, you can see this right here, also read. And if you scroll down, you're gonna see more also read here. This will help people to stay longer on your website blog. Right, copy my old blogs which I've already written before. For instance, if this is it, I have to simply click on this copy link. When you copy this, then go back to the new blog post you are writing. Okay, then make it bold, then select insert link here. When you paste it, save it. Okay, you can see it has been saved. Then the next thing you have to do here is to click on the publish button. Then you have to simply go ahead and visit. You can see this is it. It's a cool blog post with cool details. And let's see that link. You can see also read. And if you click on this, it's going to simply take me to minjohnfrancis.com. All right, remember, if your blog is already monetized, then this is how it's going to simply look like. Then you're going to simply see advertisement popping up on that particular post. Okay, you can see advertisement showing up on that same blog. This is basically how you can write your content. And if people search for this particular tool right here, okay, your own is going to simply pop up on Google, and with this you're going to be getting more traffic to your blog website. Okay, so this is basically how it works, and I'm going to simply be showing you another strategy on how you can auto blog on your blog website. All you have to do is simply connect your blog website to this particular tool, and it will be writing the content for you, posting for you. Okay, and if you want me to make a video about that, I want you to comment more video on the comment section, then I'm going to simply make a video about that. And all you have to do is simply go ahead and get a blog website for yourself. If you don't have a developer, join us on our Telegram channel, chat me on WhatsApp, and my team are going to simply build your website and also display advertisement on your blog website. Okay, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to this video channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. See you in my next video.